Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Nosedive by Boywithuke. This song's fairly new, just came out on his EP, and everybody's requesting it, so thank you guys for requesting it, and hopefully this tutorial helps you. So make sure you got your ukuleles, make sure they're in tune. GCEA, standard ukulele tuning, and you don't need a capo for this one, like you did in the last one, so sweet. Let's get to the chords. Alright, so two of these chords are exactly the same. It's literally just barring a whole fret. So let's get those two out of the way. If you guys have never learned any bar chords before, this is a good song to practice because it's literally just barring like the whole thing. And you can even use your second finger to push it on like that if you can't get them. Like if they're muted like that, you can't get it all down like that. Just push with this finger to get more pressure on to get all four of the strings. So with that out of the way, the first one is right here on the 4th fret, and that is an E major. I think it could also be like a C sharp major or something like that, but basically E major right here. That's it, just barring all these on the 4th fret. And the one after that is an F sharp major, which is right here in between the 5th and 7th fret. So right on the 6th fret, do all 4 of those. Boom, 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 boom. And now the next chord is a B major, which is the G shape and muting the top string, but in that area. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. It's your middle finger on the bottom string of the 6th fret, your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 7th fret, and your pointer finger on the 2nd string of the 6th fret. Then you can just use your thumb to kind of just touch that top string to mute it so it doesn't ring out. And that is B major. The next chord does the kind of same muting thing, but it's the same shape as the G minor. This one's actually going to be a G sharp minor, because instead of playing it here, you slide it up to this fret and then mute the top. So what that looks like is pointer finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, middle finger 3rd string 4th fret, ring finger 2nd string 3rd fret, and then mute this top one. So all together, E major, F sharp major, that B major, and then the G sharp minor. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. All right, so when you do the strumming pattern, it starts with 2 down strums, and if you guys want to do that muting thing that he does, when you keep the pressure, it plays it, but as soon as you relieve the pressure off the bar chord, it'll mute it, so it'll sound like this. So literally, if you just touch the strings, they'll stop ringing. So just relieve the pressure a little bit, and it'll be fine, and it'll sound just like how he plays. So with that out of the way, let's get to the strumming pattern. It is down, down, that mute, down, down, up, down, down, up. So playing the chords as he does, it'll sound like this. So that's basically the whole song. He just does that the whole time. So let's try and sing a little bit of Nosedive. Also, excuse my voice if it cracks. I have been a little sick, so anyway. Oh no, I'm sick of conversations in the dark. I don't know where you are. We're all grown up, we're all so lost. Nothing has prepped us for this life. It's like we don't know why. Nosediving from the high. We're all grown up, we're all so lost. Nothing has prepped us for this life. It's like we don't know why. Nosediving from the high. Nosediving from the high. Nosediving from the high. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Nosedive by Boywithuke. I thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my gaming stuff, and please support my channel so I can do this full time. This is literally like a dream, and you guys are helping my subscriber count grow, and it's so amazing. So I appreciate all of you for requesting these songs and subscribing and doing all the things you do. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.